everybody, welcome back. So I wanted to share with you guys what came inside of the spring Fabfitfun box. They just released the spring box and I'm super excited to share with you guys what is in here. I was partnered with Fabfitfun to bring you this unboxing so that I can share with you guys what they have sent. In case you are unfamiliar with Fabfitfun, they are a subscription box company that comes out seasonal, so 4 times a year for $49.99. But if you were to order or want to try it out right now, I will leave my discount code down in the description box, but it is PNF10 and that will get you $10 off of your first box. So you will be getting your first subscription box for $39.99, and like I said, it only comes out 4 times a year, so that is definitely a good deal, and you are guaranteed over $200 worth of items in your box, and it's definitely worth it. So in case you're not really familiar with Fabfitfun, they are a seasonal subscription box that uses full-size products that you get inside of your box. I mean, the boxes that I've got in the past were just amazing, and for you to only pay, even if you pay the full $49.99 every season, when you know that you're getting at least $200 at the least, but I can't guarantee, don't let me say that. For they get on me about that, but at least you know for a fact you're gonna get at least $200 worth of items in your box. It's just like a win situation because they send such cute items and so many items that you use in your everyday life. I absolutely love this box. I really love this box. It's like getting Christmas. It's like having Christmas every 4 times a year. That's how I look at it. And I mean, just the items that they send is really nice. It's convenient. It saves you money, and it gives you a chance to try products that you would probably never either pick up, never heard about, or didn't even think about to try. And so that's usually what happens, is the box that they send me, it's like items that I'm like, oh, ooh, that's cool, and then I continue to use them. So I love Fabfitfun, and if you have not subscribed to a subscription box company and you're thinking about it, this is definitely the one to go with. Okay, so I'm gonna quit rambling on and I'm gonna share with you guys what is in this box. So I've already opened it. I have already used some of the products because I wanted to be able to share with you guys what I thought about the items instead of just opening it and showing you guys like, oh, look what's in here. I actually used some of the items so that I can, you know, tell you guys what I think. So when you first get your box, I did put everything back in here for the sake of the video, but when you first get your box, you get this cute little, like, let me sit this down. You get this little magazine type, you know, like newspaper type thing that they send you. And the good thing about this, which is just amazing, they put the products that you actually are getting in your box in here. It tells you what the retail value of it is, and then also it tells you about the product, how to use it, what you can do with it, how other people, you know, like it, or tips on how to use it. And then it just gives you, like, it's just like a woman's magazine. It's just super cool. So I really like that. And then also in this box, I got a kind of like a coupon for this company that they send out meals, and it's $50 off my first 2 boxes if I choose, and it's called is it HelloFresh? And I guess they send you like food, and it's, you know, you prepare it, but it's enough for your family size or whatever. You have to go on the website and figure all that out. But it was $50 off of your first 2 boxes, which is pretty cool. Okay, so now I'm ready to share with you guys the items that was sent. So on the screen as well, I will put the retail value of what each item is so that you'll know exactly what you would be getting if you were to sign up and actually pay the $49.99. But like I said, you'll get the $10 off of your first box with my coupon code, which is down below, so make sure you use that. Okay, so the first thing that's in here, which was in this pack, and the pack is super cute, but I did use this already, and it says with love from Texas, and this is Free People. This is a Free People Now let me show you this. Look how cute. This is the cutest eye mask ever, and it's really soft, and it's actually squishy because on the inside it has what is like a gel pack. And let me get that gel pack out, and I actually put it in the refrigerator. I didn't put it in the freezer because I didn't want it to get hard, but I put it in the refrigerator, and I had a really bad headache, and I actually put this over my eyes, and it helped so. Oh my goodness, it made me feel so much better, and I just kind of laid there with it there. And sometimes I get that headache behind my eyes, so this came in super handy. And another good thing is that it is adjustable. It has the adjustable straps in the bag, and it was super comfortable. The eye part is like fabric, so it's really soft, and I just cannot get over the stars, the silver and the gold stars. I think that is super cute. So the next thing that is in here, and I did have these on like 2 days ago, and I was walking in a store, and the lady, she stopped me and she said, oh my goodness, those are so pretty, because they are tassel earrings. And you know, she asked me where I got them from, and I told her where they came from, and she was like, oh, I'm gonna check out that box. So she probably made an order on the subscription box, I don't know, but she loved these earrings, and I love them as well. They're really pretty. Look at the tops right there. Just beautiful. And they say they are 18 gold plated, designed in LA, and nickel free. So I am super happy. It says soak up the laid back vibes of LA, all while staying on top of the latest trends. This is what they look like when they're on. I just think these are super pretty. I love the tassels on them. I love how they just cascade down. Very pretty. Very pretty, and I'm definitely going to leave these on. Very happy with those. Okay, so then also the next thing, when I took this out, I had a friend over, and she was like, honey, you need to give me that purse. I was like, no, I'm not. So it came in this pack right here by Rachel Pally. Let me show you this clutch. And it came in this beautiful mustard yellow, which I love. Now, the good thing about that, and it has a little tassel hanging on it as well, and it is reversible. So you can open it up like this, and look at that pattern. This is like a canvas, and then over here is more like leather. And so you have the opening at the top right here, and it has the little label inside. So you can either carry it this way, or you can flip it over and carry it that way and throw it right under your arm and go on about your business with this super cute clutch. I really like this. I would not have probably maybe even picked this up on my own in the store, even though I think it is extremely adorable and beautiful. But that's what I mean, just getting this box that they're going to send you stuff that you may have not even picked up. And yes, I am loving this clutch. I think this is so pretty. And I know that I'm putting up the prices or the retail value of everything on the screen right at this moment. I can't tell you, I can't remember what this was, but even if me spending the $39.99 for this box, this is definitely worth it alone. Just alone, on top of the earrings, you know what I mean? So I just love this box, and it's definitely worth the money. Next thing I got was this #1 Manhattan Beach candle, and it's pretty light because I am actually holding it. And this candle came in here, and I have been burning it because I wanted to get the scent of it. This is very nice. It says bergamot, musk, white jasmine, Brazilian softwoods, citrus, and is it heliotrope? Heliotrope. I think that's how you pronounce it. This smells so good, and it has a lot of burning time. I burnt this all through the night, and it looks like it barely moved. Not to mention, look at this container. Very pretty. And it's called Manhattan Beach by Anderson Lily. and I love this. It smells really soft and relaxing, and definitely a candle to burn like through the evening time when you're just trying to relax. So I've never heard of number 1 Manhattan Beach or Anderson Lily, so this was really cool to get. So the next thing in the box was this Coors Guava Body Butter, and let me tell you, this is so nice. It smells so good. It's really, really thick, and when I rubbed it in, it made me feel so soft. Oh my goodness. And I'm not really big on tropical fragrances, especially like or even drinks or whatever, but even though it says guava, it doesn't smell really, really tropical, and I really like it. It has a really fresh, clean, you know, smell to it. It kind of makes you think about the ocean, if that makes any sense. I smell a little bit of the sweetness like of the guava fruit, but it smells more clean and fresh more than any. I've never used this before, but I can tell you that it feels really, really nice on the skin. Item right here I was excited and extremely happy with, and it is the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. At the top right here it says hydrating, and it looks like this. And just off the top, when I opened up the box and I seen this, I was thinking to myself, oh, this is expensive. That's my first thought. And so I was using it. I've used this 3 times in a row as my moisturizer in the evening after I got out of the shower, and I would have to say that I will probably continue to use this, and I'm very happy with this. The formula of it is very lightweight, really nice. So after I just cleansed my skin and I got out the shower, I used this and in the evening time, and that was it. It says lightweight oil-free moisturizer, provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin. Even though I don't really have blemishes, this is one of the best moisturizers that I've felt, and the formula is really nice and light, and it doesn't have a smell to it, and the little bit of smell that it does have, it is very, very light, but it has a very pleasant smell. So very happy with this as well. Also in the box, and I have not got a chance to use it yet. I plan on using it probably either tonight or tomorrow so that I can get a feel for what it is, but I know that it's going to work really good. It says Dermalect Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler for your nails, and it basically says it is a ridge filler which combines 2 extraordinary anti-aging ingredients for a treatment. It transforms damaged nails into a makeover sensation to achieve beautiful, natural looking nails. It brilliantly conceals nail imperfections. It fills in ridges. It strengthens brittle, hard to grow nails. And it says you can treat acrylic or gel damaged nails. So sometimes my nails, you know, get the split in them, or, you know, they just get damaged. So I cannot wait to try this. It also says to use underneath your nail polish, or just use it like, you know, as you're going natural. Thing it says on the side, it says for visibly damaged nails, ridges, yellowing, discolored, acrylic gel, dehydrated, weak, brittle, and spotted. So this is definitely going to be something for me to try out and to let you guys know if I like it, but I think I'm gonna love it. Okay, so I was excited by this. When I pulled this out this box, I was like, oh my goodness. So it says Ish, like this palette is the Ish, right? So it's a lip statement palette, and this was the box. I am holding the actual product. It's a sleek, black, beautiful case that has let me move the brush, but I used one of them already, and this side, whole side, is a mirror, but I will cover that up. And this is the lip palette that was sent. Oh my goodness, look at those colors. Those are perfect for spring or any time, but very, very, very pretty. Very happy with those. And it does come with a brush for you to use. I did use one of the colors. I can say that the colors are really, the color was really creamy, it felt so good on my lips. Really, really nice. This is just perfect for you to put in your purse, take with you wherever you want to go, or to do whatever you want. I have a few lip palettes and I'm very happy with this one. It feels really nice, creamy, smooth. And then what I did was I just added a little bit of a lip gloss on top of it, but I'm very, very happy with that. Also, I did get a small sample of the Dove exfoliating body wash, which I have not used yet. It's just a little sample, something extra that they threw in the box, and I thought that was really cool. I was looking at these at Target. I did not pick up, and so now I'm able to try it out without actually purchasing the whole container. As far as the fitness side, look at what they sent. It is a leg or back or arm massager that you can roll up and down to use. And me and my son was actually using this after his workout the other day, and it feels really, really good. I love the way this feels, but this is just really cool to have for any time that you're working out, or you just, you know, having some back problems or whatever, and you can roll this up and down. You can use it yourself, and it's just really, really nice. So this was also in here. Now, that is everything that came in this box. Would you agree that everything in here is worth $49.99? I do. I say yes. So I am super grateful for Fabfitfun for sending me this spring box. I'm excited. I love it. I love my earrings. Very, very happy. So like I said, check down below for my coupon code for you to get your first box, the spring box, and then the next box even after spring. It's just super fun to get their box because they put so many nice items in there. If you've watched my previous boxes, go ahead and check those out if you want to see, and I will link one of them above for you to go and watch and see what else they got. If you need something else just to push you to go ahead and order your own box. So with that being said, I thank you guys all for watching. Don't forget, if you're new, hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you to stick around. Subscription code is down below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.